Hello traders, good evening all. Hope you all had a fantastic weekend and use it for your development. Trading development or your personal development. Okay, so risk disclaimer, all information on this video is for educational purpose only and does not intend to provide any financial advice. Any statement about profits or income expressed or implied does not represent a guarantee. With that, let's see what happened on Nifty and Bank Nifty, what is likely to happen going forward or tomorrow. So, Nifty on that day opened flat. On futures, because July futures was trading with a huge discount. Okay, yeah, almost spot closed around 10,400 and future is 10,330, so nearly about 70 points premium. Okay, spot had opened a gap up the other day. Okay, nearly it opened somewhere around say like 100-point gap up on that day, and it started rejecting this. Okay, so it traded flat completely. All of the sudden it rejected the zone. Okay, and then push back to VAP again. Okay, so the whole day is of more balancing day. Okay, if you see the structure of the profile, it's more of a balancing profile. Okay, and a kind of inside day on futures compared to the expiry day. Okay, and even on this July futures, okay, if you see 10,350 zone again resisted. Okay, here if you see 10,350 again resisted. Okay, so for any strong move to happen, this zone need to take 10,350 to 400 need to take. Okay, so till that price likely to scale down. Okay, Bank Nifty was relatively weak the other day, comparatively weak the other day. So again here this 21,800 need to take. Okay, this 21,800 need to take. So tomorrow, it is going to be very interesting to watch both the indices. Okay, especially Bank Nifty. So I'll be watching this zone 2900 and 21,000. This round number 21,000 and 2900 going forward. I am not saying whether tomorrow, any day next week, if this zone gets hit. Okay, I'm going to watch keenly how bulls react here. I'm talking about the broader picture. Okay, so how bulls react here around the zone is very important to me. If bulls react strongly, okay, I will be looking for a low risk buy here. Okay, if bulls react here strongly around 20,900 to 21,000, okay, if they push to 21,100 showing their strength, on pullback I will be buying, looking for 21,300 and 21,400. Okay, so this would be my trade plan. In case if price opens here, okay, around 21,300. If it starts falling, okay, we are likely to test 21,000 and even 20,900. Okay, so mostly this kind of activity says market might spend some more time in the zone. Okay, if it gets support here, so market might spend within this say like 800 point or 1000 point range. It is going to stay before the next big move happens. Okay, on Nifty the other hand, okay, so this one VPOC is still pending to test, which is 10,160. Okay, this time any gap down, okay, this time any gap down is likely to test that, because I don't find any support here, I mean strong zones here to defend. So this time this is likely to get tested. Okay, 10,150. so tomorrow if market opens gap down below 10,270 and keeps scaling down and breaks 10,230 mark, okay, on the pullback I will be shorting, looking for 10,200 and 10,160. In case market opens below 10,100, if it takes support around 10,160 and crosses 10,200 again, on the pullback I will be buying, looking for 10,250 and 10,300 as a target. Okay, on higher side already I mentioned 10,350 to 10,400 need to be crossed for any big bullish move. Okay, so that's for Nifty and Bank Nifty V from market profile angle. On open interest, if you see 10,500 on call side and 10,000 on put side holds the highest open interest. Okay, even on change in open interest on that day 10,500 and 10,300 were holding the mark. Okay, so any bullish move, I mean like, so the range as of now is somewhere here. Okay, if this takes support, okay, if this zone gets support and moves strongly about 10,200, okay, we are likely to test 10,300, and if this 10,300 get resisted, okay, so it depends on how we are going to open tomorrow. Okay, so that's what I want to check tomorrow. On stock front I don't find any opportunity so far, so let market starts trending, okay, then we can find some opportunity. Okay, so it all depends on how we are going to open tomorrow, so that will give the clue for tomorrow's trade. Okay, so that's it for tomorrow's plan. Let's see how market opens and decide accordingly. Okay, so as always, respect your risk, respect your trade plan, respect your stop loss. If stop loss hits, get out of that, and that one trade should not make or break you. Okay, so there are, I mean, as I always saying, next 100 trades. Okay, think that angle. Okay, so that's it for today. We will catch up on next episode with the other view. Okay, so let's see sometime, guys. Have a great evening. Bye.